guys, so today I am shopping with Sachini and Sineli. Sineli's just stuffing her face with her really yummy looking focaccia, and I don't even know what that is. What is that?
A red pepper and chicken calzone thing.
Cool. And I got my salad. And we are shopping for Halloween costumes. Yeah? Yeah, that's what we're trying to do anyway.
Halloween is next week.
Yes, Halloween is next week, so we kind of got to get started. I don't know what else to say in these kind of situations. We've been to
Start vlogging when you're vlogging.
yeah, well, we've been to Priceline and picked up some of our makeup, and we were literally in there for half an hour because we didn't know what we were doing. Look what we got for dessert, guys. They got macaroons. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Eating.
We got macaroons and Toblerone. What did you drop?
The makeup.
We got
You broke it all.
Toblerone cheesecake.
I'm so jealous.
You should be jealous. You should definitely be jealous. I'm not going to be able to eat all of that.
I'll eat it for you.
No, no thank you. You can't even finish your lunch.
You can't finish your juice box. Your juice box.
But we're in this really cute cafe. At High Point, yes.
Italian cafe.
It doesn't want to zoom in fast enough. And now it's blurry. Right. Unblur. Right, let's just forget about that. And let me slowly zoom out. I'm not cutting that out. Yeah, I did. I did, yeah.
We have to play games as well.
Oh, we do, yeah. We're at this really cute cafe, and the food is really good. And there's Sachini and everybody else at the shopping centre. We're gonna go up there in a second after I try to eat all of this. Right.
Okay, let's go. Which one?
Let's go. In the most expensive shop. Literally can't afford anything. But oh well, let's just walk around and pretend that we know what we're doing here.
You should know this.
Sachini, where are we?
We're in my favorite shop. Top shop.
Top Shop. So I'm back home now, guys, from my shopping trip. Actually, I've been home a couple of hours now. I'm sorry that I didn't vlog much of the shopping. It was kind of just nice to sort of look into shops and sort of talk to my friends without the camera always being there. That's... Jeez, I sound silly. Whoa, I'm sitting on an exercise ball. yeah, I wasn't actually there for that long. And now my arm's getting sore and I haven't even been vlogging for very long. Yeah, I wasn't there very long and we were only in a couple of shops. I think I forgot to mention the fact that today is the 25th of October. When you're watching this, it's not the 25th of October. But I wanted to just talk a little bit. Let me go and sit back on my chair, on my ball thing. Yeah, okay. So, I don't have time to upload today's vlog today, but you might see it tomorrow, hopefully. Also, I want to say, if you haven't watched my other videos, Monday is my birthday, which is really excited. Excited? It's really excited. I'm really excited. It's really exciting. Next Friday is Halloween, and I'm so excited because for once it's a Friday. So, me and some of my friends, the friends that I went shopping with today, Sachini and Sineli, when you watch this, hi, how you doing? And a couple of other friends, we're going to go trick-or-treating. And then, but I don't have, that video won't get uploaded for about 2 weeks after Halloween, as on the Saturday my family and I are going camping. Thanks for caring about what I did today, guys. Hopefully I'll do some more videos soon. I hope I can find time to upload them. But until then, bye!